Hello everyone. This video will show you how to self-register for the library's Information Literacy microcourse, which is located in eLearning. First, log into eLearning. Then, click on the self-registration link in the eLearning menu. This self-registration course offering page will then appear. Once you see that page, scan down the list of course offering names and then click on the Information Literacy microcourse link. A course description box then appears, and within that box, click the Register button. After that, a registration form box appears. Click the Submit button. And then a confirmation box appears. Click the Finish button. And then last, a registration summary box appears. Click Done. And this takes you back to the eLearning home page. You're now registered for the Information Literacy microcourse. To actually access the microcourse, look down on the home page within the My Courses box. It will be listed as one of your courses, and it will include a link to the course, and when you click on it, that will take you to the course.